Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is called Wild Pacific Salmon. When you see packaged like this in the grocery stores and you wonder what to do with it, it's kind of thin, they're not a big cut of salmon, and they have skin on the back of it. But I'm going to show you how to make a simple meal just using this salmon right here. Don't go away and say, I don't want that because I can't do nothing with that. But this is simple and it's delicious. It's easy to prepare and it's wonderful the way you do it. And what I'm going to do is make some rosemary. Rosemary salmon to go over rice. Yes, indeed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm adding butter into a pan. Just butter like that. And then when I add the butter, I'm going to add rosemary to the butter. I'll be right back and show you what else I do next. All right, I got butter and rosemary in a skillet. And I'm fravoring what I'm doing is flavoring the butter with the rosemary. I'm going to add the salmon skin on the back of the salmon has skin. See that? I'm just going to place it in there just like that. Because I don't want it to overcook anything. So I'm just going to place it like this. I don't want the salmon to overcook. I just want it to get a little cook. And then I'm going to toss butter on top of it. I'm just tossing butter and the rosemary on top of the salmon as it cooks slowly. Just like this, because you don't want to overcook your salmon and get it dry. So I like leaving the skin on because they can eat the skin. I mean, some people eat the skin, really. And some people don't, so they just eat on top of the skin with the salmon. Oh, this smells delicious, y'all. Now, you can put any season you want on your salmon, but I'm just using rosemary and cooking it. See, when it get white like that, it's almost done. So you can put the other ingredients on. I'll be right back, okay? As you can see, around the edges of the salmon, it's getting done from the skin. So what I'm going to do is pour some cream of chicken soup. Well, not cream of chicken soup, y'all. Not mushroom either. I'm using some celery soup. Y'all know I'm just crazy this morning doing this recipe. Okay, I'm adding a little cream of celery soup to the dish. And just doing it like that. You don't want your salmon to overcook. That's the whole promise of the whole thing is promise you that your salmon will not be overcooked. So we're just putting all this like this, and it is ready, y'all. It's ready. It's ready to rock and roll. Now you can cook yours the way you want it. If you want more cooked to your salmon, you can do that. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I finished coating the salmon with the cream of chicken soup or cream of celery soup or cream of mushroom soup, whatever you prefer to use. And then I add some more rosemary on top. And it smells delicious. It's not dry, it's just right, and you serve it with rice. And this dish is wonderful. It's easy to prepare, and I show you how. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And go to soulfoodqueen.net and get this recipe. This is Sandra again. I want to tell you this recipe is wonderful. This is a rosemary cream salmon dish. Show you how to make this. It's delicious. You're going to love it.